Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making the mechanism safe and accessible. Disconnect the battery negative terminal so you won't short anything or trigger electronics. Next, remove the inner door panel, take out visible screws, pry clips gently, and unplug connectors. Leave the mirror harness for later if needed. Once the panel is off, fold back the vapor barrier and prop the window. This gives you room to see the latch, actuator, and linkages. You'll now be positioned to test and remove components without guessing where parts sit. Now diagnose how the latch fails. Apply 12V briefly to the actuator to confirm it moves. This tells you whether motor or mechanical linkage is at fault. While observing, operate the door handle and lock to locate bent rods, broken clips, or a stuck pawl. Clean debris and lubricate pivot points to see if movement returns. If replacement is needed, unbolt the latch assembly, usually 2 to 4 fasteners. Carefully unplug the electrical connector and note the exact orientation and linkage positions for reassembly. Install the new or rebuilt latch by aligning the pawl and seating it against the striker. Route and clip the linkages in their original positions, then tighten bolts to spec. Reconnect the actuator and electricals, reconnect the battery, and test the interior and exterior handles plus remote locking. Make incremental linkage adjustments until operation is crisp. Once satisfied, reseat the vapor barrier and reinstall the door panel. If the door still catches or won't latch, see the troubleshooting tip. Check striker alignment and adjust striker mounting screws slightly outward or inward as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.